Hi, you can get a free copy of my book, The Mind of a Trader, Lessons in Trading Strategy from the World's Leading Traders, published by the FT. It's links in the bio, but it's also on trading-champions.com. You will see it there. It's completely free to download and read. It's my interviews with some of the world's leading traders. Bernard Opedy runs a $2 billion hedge fund. The former global head of foreign exchange and hedge fund manager of the year, Bill Lipschutz, is in there as well. They're the people I met and interviewed when I wanted to be a trader. It's when I was at university, and they mentored and helped me, and it essentially led me to setting up my hedge fund many years later. So you can download the book and read the interviews. It's an international bestseller as well. So it's a bloody good read, if I say so myself. And I do say so myself. So download it from the links in the bio or at trading-champions.com.